Do you hate the dentist and you're scared you have a visit coming up and you don't want to go? Stick around. I'm going to show you what you can do to not only make it more manageable, but even enjoyable. You're going to come with me to that dental exam right over there. I used to have dental anxiety. I am speaking from personal experience. I didn't see a dentist for 9 years because of one traumatic experience, and now I go and I actually have a good time. So there are things you can do. Come with me and you can find out more. Okay, I'm at the dentist. Ooh, nervous. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shake my body. The more I can shake my body and shift my attention to, this is gonna suck, but I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna walk out at the end of here. Shaking your body is the fastest way to eliminate excessive stress nerves, because that's science language. So, shake your body, okay? When you arrive, shake your body, get a look at that chair and say, yeah, this chair's gonna suck and I can get out of it. And you don't have to just tell yourself that. I want you to experience getting into the chair. Notice, ooh, you're gonna feel dread, anticipation, anxious, and then you're just gonna hate it here and you're gonna tense up like this. And then I'm gonna invite you to get out of the chair. Before anything starts, just get out of the chair. Whew. Notice that you can leave. Let your body experience leaving the chair. Okay, and then maybe the second time you get in the chair, you're not quite as tense and nervous. And then get out again. So you're letting your body complete a stress response. So you get in the chair. Each time you do it, you're going to feel less tense getting into the chair and get out of the chair. You might want to do this 3 or 4 times before you actually do anything with the visit. And you know, it's going to feel weird, but if you request to your hygienist, look, I just have this thing going on, can you work with me here? They're reasonable people, and you're helping them do their job the more you take control of your nervous system and relax it, because then they can get into your system and it's going to be less hard for them, which makes it less hard for you. Okay, I'm in the dental chair. She's gonna come into my mouth. I am gonna really focus on relaxing my face, my neck, my shoulders. How am I gonna do that? 2 things, 2 ways you can relax. Slow blinking. You may or may not already know that exercise. I have a video on it. Slow blinking is a wonderful way to keep your body relaxed. Another thing you can do is think about peripheral focus, fuzzy focus versus pointy focus, right? Are your eyes pointing ahead straight on one thing? That's going to drive tension in your face. But if you sort of soften your gaze, fuzzy focus, think about your peripheral vision and what's around you, what's behind you. That can literally soften and relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Really focus on feeling your body in the chair and noticing that the chair is supporting you. And remember that you can leave. You can get up anytime. You can ask the hygienist, can you have the chair tilted not quite far back? See how that goes. See what angle feels reasonably safe for you. Is it okay that we figure out the angle that works for us together?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. Okay, so if you can see what I'm doing with my hands, I just finished my visit and I was literally tapping my fingers the whole time. Why? This is an EFT tapping point, and I'm doing a couple things with this. Number 1, I'm using touch to send messages of safety to my brain, specifically the amygdala, so it helps calm down the fear threat response. The second thing, while I'm doing this, is I am really imparting a sense of my own power and control and agency. Yes, I'm laying back in a chair, it's uncomfortable, it sucks, my mouth is open, somebody's inside my body. All that shit is real and sucky and true, and I'm not helpless. There are things I can do to help calm and relax my nervous system so that I'm not stuck helpless to the position that I'm in. The second thing I was doing is I was imagining that my lungs were like big giant pink balloons, and every breath that I was taking, the balloons would inhale and inflate all the way down to my pelvic floor. And you made it! Be sure when you're done to celebrate. You survived. You made it. It's over. You're here now. That was awful and hard and scary, and you can do awful, hard, and scary things. You will recover. The more you keep your mind and body relaxed and calm in scary situations, the more you are taking your power back. Well done, you. My name is Dr. Renee Ostertag. I'm a licensed physical therapist and a psychotherapist. I'm like a nervous system ninja, and I would love to help you with whatever it is you're needing. Make a request, book a free consult, and I'll see you around. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share my stuff. Talk to you later.